but I bet you'd buy it. I don't know your favorite song, and I bet I'd like it.